Hello everyone, a lot of you have been asking me for an Amsham dance tutorial, so here it is. Since the choreography is a bit detailed, I'm dividing it into 3 parts so it's easier to follow and learn. Today we will be learning the first section, so let's get into it. The entire video is flipped, so my right is your right and my left is your left. So for the first step, we are standing facing backwards. So you also please stand facing your back so that the sides are correct. So the first step is 1 and 2. Okay, so for that now you can turn back. So take a step to the left and then extend your right leg. Okay, keep it pointed. 1 and 2, and your body will go, your upper body will go like this. Okay, like a slight wave to the left and then to the right. Okay, and your hand will go this way. Okay, your left hand will be upward, right to the right side, then slightly twist it in and out, then point. Twist in, out and point. Okay, in, out and point. In, out and point. Okay, so I hope you got it. So it will go 1 and 2. Your face should be to the right too, to where your right hand is pointed. So it will go 1 and 2. Face should also go from left to right. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Okay, now let's do it turned back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Okay, and for the next step, turn to the right. Place your hands on your chest. Okay, so from here, turn to your right, then right hand on your chest, then after that left on your chest. Okay, showing your heart. Okay, so from here you will go 1 and 2. Now after that you can stand straight, and the next step is 3 and 4. So for that you should twist your right hand inwards and then bring it to your left. Your left hand will be there open and join them. Okay, so twist and join. Okay, your left hand will be there itself. Twist and join. Okay, and your legs will be like this. Okay, so take a step back with your left and point your right to the right side, right corner. Okay, left back and right extended to the right corner. That's it. Okay, so let's do it again from here. 1 and 2. So this is how it will look. Okay, then 3, 4. So for that, left with your left hand, just hold your skirt and your right will go like this. In this mudra from bottom to top. Like this. Okay. So you will be in this position. Then in the same position, you will be doing this step. Like this. Along with that, move your shoulder and head. Okay. Like this. 1, 2. Okay. So 1, 2. I hope it's clear. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then spin. You have to spin to your right side. All the spins in this choreography are to the right. Okay. Now let us do it everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and spin. The next step after the spin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then spin again. So for that you should place your left hand in this mudra extended towards your right side. Okay, and the right hand should go above and wave it like a flag. Okay, right should be above your left hand and then wave. So 1 and 2. Only 2 times. You should wave only 2 times and your legs should be in this position. Your left leg should be extended out. Then this step. Then you will go like this to the left. Okay, so for that your legs will move like this. The extended left leg will come back to the middle and your right will be extended out. Okay, and your hands, your left will go to hold your skirt, and the right will go like this in this mudra. So from above in this mudra, bring it downward and then up. Okay, down and up. So while doing it, you should also move your upper body like this. Okay, so from the right side, your body will face to the left corner like this. Okay, I'll do it again. 1 and 2. Okay, in like a slight wave, then only it will look beautiful. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, body to the left and face to the right. Then after that, this step. So for that, from this position, your right leg should go forward like you're walking. Okay, then left. Just 2 steps are enough. So when you keep your right leg forward, move your right hand like this. Then when left forward, move your left hand like this. Okay, so from here you will go 1 and 2. Okay, let us do it again from here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then spin again to the right. Now let's do everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spin. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let us repeat it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and spin. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The slight disturbance is from the rain, so please ignore it. The mirrored version of the entire choreography in 2 speeds, that is a normal speed and 0.7x speed, is already uploaded on my YouTube shorts. I didn't include it here due to copyright issues. So if you want to practice it with the song, do check it out. So that's it for today. See you in the next part. Bye.